Okay, student, now consider the crystal defects or imperfections. What is the crystal defects or imperfections? Naturally, crystals are not perfectly ordered. Naturally, crystals are not perfect. So, during the crystallizations, there is a imperfections or there is a irregularities are present in the crystals. That irregularity, irregularity, irregularities irregularities or imperfections in metal crystal in crystalline substance in the crystal of substance is called uh, crystal defects or imperfections. What is the crystal defects or imperfections? This is the irregularities. Imperfections, crystal defect is the irregularities or the imperfections in the crystalline solid substance is called crystal defects or imperfections. How this is occur? Crystal defects arises due to the uh, during the crystallization process. Crystal defects arises. Crystal defects created when it is created. Crystal defects created during the process of crystallization. During the process of crystallizations. When the crystallization process takes place, then the defects are created. When defects are created during the process of the crystallization. म्हणजे क्रिस्टलायझेशन प्रोसेस ज्या वेळेस घडत असेल, एखाद्या सबस्टन्सचं क्रिस्टलायझेशन आपण करत असो, त्या क्रिस्टलायझेशन प्रोसेस ज्यावेळेस घडत असेल त्याच वेळेस क्रिस्टलायझेशन इम्परफेक्शन किंवा क्रिस्टल डिफेक्ट क्रिएट होत असतात. ज्यावेळेस प्रोसेस ही फास्ट होते, क्रिस्टलायझेशन प्रोसेस ज्यावेळेस फास्ट होते, व्हेन प्रोसेस इज टेक्स प्लेस फास्टर रेट, व्हेन प्रोसेस crystallization process takes place faster rate, then the defect is created in the crystal, then the imperfection is created in the crystal. So minimize the crystal defect, we can crystallization process carried out in the slow rate. When the imperfections or crystal defects arise in the crystal defects or imperfections arises in the crystal during the crystallization process. Okay, if the crystallization process takes place at the faster rate, then the defects are created. How to minimize the crystal defect? आता crystal defect कसा minimize करायचा? To minimize the crystal defects, we carry out the crystallization process in the slow rate. म्हणजेच काय करायचंय, ज्यावेळेस क्रिस्टलायझेशन प्रोसेस आपण स्लो रेटमध्ये घडवून आणू त्यावेळेस क्रिस्टल डिफेक्ट हे मिनिमाइज केले जातात. हाऊ टू मिनिमाइज द क्रिस्टल डिफेक्ट्स? क्रिस्टल डिफेक्ट्स आर मिनिमाइज्ड बाय द कॅरी आउट द crystallization process at the slow rate. म्हणजे बघा, what is the crystals? Crystals are the irregularities or imperfections in the crystalline substance is called crystal defects or imperfections. We can also fault present in the crystals is also called crystal defects. How crystal defects are created? Crystal defects are created during the process of the crystallizations. म्हणजे क्रिस्टलायझेशनची प्रोसेस घडत असेल त्याच वेळेस क्रिस्टल डिफेक्ट क्रिएट होतात, क्रिस्टल डिफेक्ट अराइज होत असतात. द प्रोसेस ऑफ क्रिस्टलायझेशन when crystallization process takes place faster rate, then the crystal defects are arises more. To minimize the how to crystal defects are minimized? Crystal defects are minimized by carry out. Crystal defects are minimized by the carry out the crystallization process slow rate. Crystallization process at slow rate. जर आपल्याला क्रिस्टलायझेशन प्रोसेस स्लो रेट मध्ये घडवून आणले तर क्रिस्टल डिफेक्ट मिनिमाइज केलं जातं. हाऊ द क्रिस्टल डिफेक्ट इज मिनिमाइज्ड? क्रिस्टल डिफेक्ट इज minimized, how the crystal imperfection is minimized, how the crystal fault is minimized. Crystal fault, crystal defects or crystal imperfection is minimized by the carrying out the crystallization process at a slow rate. If we carry out the crystallization process at the slow rate, we get the we minimize the crystal defect, we minimize the imperfections. Now, what are the types of the crystal defects? Types of the crystal defects, there are three types of the crystal defects. Which are the types of the crystal defects? First is the point defect, line defect, and plane defects. So what are the types of the crystal defects? Types of the crystal defects. Which are the types of the crystal defects? There are three types of the crystal defects. First, point defect. Point defect. Which defects are arises in the, what are the type of the crystal defect? There are three types of the main type of the crystal defect: point defect, line defect, and third, plane defects. Plane defects. So these are the three types of the defects. What are the main three types of the crystal defects? Point defect, line defect, and plane defects. So these are the three types of the defects.